Now, our next in this chapter, our first topic is the matchsticks pattern. So, students, you have already know what is the matchsticks. So, and you have already seen matchsticks. So now, in this pattern, you have to make different types of letters, making by using a matchsticks. So now, first, you have to draw more matchsticks pattern. So now to make simple pattern of the letters of the English alphabet. Here the first is English alphabet. I have to make a L. So now in this letter making by using matchsticks, first make a 1L. So required 1L is required the two matchsticks, the first and the second. So 1L is required the two matchstick. Here we number of L's and here is required the matchstick. Now if you have make a 2L, so 2L will be make 2 L's. Here we 2 L's. So 2 L's will be required 1, 2, 3 and the 4 matchsticks. So write down here 4. Similarly, you have to make 3. So 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means you have to make 3 L's. So required matchsticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6 matchsticks required for making a 3 L's. So now you have to make different number of L's while using a matchstick pattern. Suppose here we given number of L's formed and the required matchsticks. So here we given below the table for required matchsticks and making a number of L's. So you have to know the 1L number of L's 1 L will be required the 2 matchsticks. Now 2 L's, if you have made 2 L's, so required the 4 matchsticks. 3 L's, so you have to require the 6 matchsticks. Now in this look in this pattern, so every value is increased. It means every value is a double for the previous value. Here we given the 2 matchsticks, so double of the 2, you have to make 2L. So this is the double of required matchsticks. So now 2 into 2, that is a 4. So it means each value is double. So now the formula is, here we next value is double. So now the required number of matchsticks required, the formula will be make a 2n. 2n, it every matchstick number of matchsticks multiply by the 2. So will be required matchsticks. Number of matchsticks required, the formula is 2n. Here n is a number of variable. N is the number of variable and change the values. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So now put their values 2 into 1. So that is 2 required 1L. Now similarly, if you have making a 4L's, so put how many required matchsticks. So now 2 into, put the value of n, and it means the 4. So 2 4s are 8. It means the 8. Now you have to make 5 L's. So multiply by the 5. So 2 5s are 10. So here will be put the 10. Now similarly you have to make the 6 L's. So multiply by the 2 into 6. So 2 6 are 12. That is 14. That is 16. And that is 18. And so on. So you have to find indefinite number of L's while using required matchsticks. Similarly, so this is the formula number of matchstick finding. Required formula is 2n. Similarly, the next letter is number of pattern. Letter pattern is C. So in here we draw a 1C. 1, 2 and the 3 matchsticks required. 1C will be make a 3 matchsticks required. Similarly, you have to make 2 C's. 2 C's, So you have to require 2 C's. So you have to require 2 C's. So you have to require the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now the next you have to make the 3 C's. So required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to make 3 C's, so required 9 matchsticks. So here we given below the table. So the formula here, the 1 C will be required 3 matchsticks. 2 C will be required 6 matchsticks, and the 3 C will be required the 9 matchsticks. Now if you have make the 4 C's, so 4 multiply, here we given the 3. The formula will be, required formula is 3n. 3n, it means here n is the number of values. N is a number of values. So now number of matchsticks required. So the formula starting is 3. So 3 multiplied by the 4. 3 is multiplied by the 4, that is 12. Now next is 3, and the number of required C is 5. 3 5s are 15. Next is 15. Now similarly that is 18, and the number of C's form the 7. So that is the 21, 24, and so on. So you have to find easily the number of matchsticks required. So this is the formula for the number of patterns.